In this video, we will learn how to use infinitives and gerunds for expressing purpose. To say why something exists or what its purpose is, we use an infinitive or for plus gerund. Let's look at some examples. I use my cell phone to play games. I use my cell phone for playing games. I use it to make espresso. I use it for making espresso. She wants a better camera to make videos. She wants a better camera for making videos. To ask about purpose, we can ask what for. What is this switch for? It's for turning on the main light. What are the stockings for? They're to put Christmas presents in. To talk about the purpose of an action or the reason for doing something, we use an infinitive but not a gerund. She's going to London to learn English. We wouldn't say, she's going to London for learning English. I need someone to help me. What would you like to drink? To get some more practice, let's listen to a conversation.
What is that for?
It's for making coffee. I drink a pot every morning to wake me up.
But it's so big. What else does it do?
That's it. I just use it to make coffee.
And what's this thing for?
That's for grinding the coffee beans.
You'll be opening a coffee shop next. So, are you going to make me a cup of coffee?
I don't have any coffee beans. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe or check out my other videos.